demonstration.
That's right.
And so you see, when you look at certain things, I bet say Asantes. Sometimes Asantes, you people also, I mean, you are also, I mean, look laid back without talking. So if somebody is trying to say somebody is trying to just to pick fight with you, he would start to what? Over starting attitude baby to say on the bravo.
Okay.
Because Rawlings Rawlings the ban now some rumors corruption. No, we did two Asantes na corruption. Yes, you were north no. Ba be rally bia, si Asantes na corruption.
Okay.
What you say? Asantes corrupt. Corrupt. Not sometimes not susu Asantes no mo yere. Ben Rawlings no.
Okay.
No that kind of rumors.
Okay.
What you say?
Matipa.
When Rawlings, who was his advisor? And your PVO Ben. And PVO Ben was a very powerful Asante.
Yeah.
Even to no cool so even to that time nipa bebre ka say onu na sponsors are cool no so.
Okay.
What you say? So banu omu season Asante for omu japadie bebre including Heberman san papa japadie. On said Asante hino win Asante stam na Heberman sa no ye Asante
Kotoko yeah board chairman
na Asante hino create board attached Kotoko
yeah
na Kotoko no mo ni board.
Okay.
Na Asante hino win a create board attached no o mesh or the PV Benaba be board chairman. Na Heber no PV Benasam because PV Ben was part of Rawlings when they confiscated his father's properties.
Okay.
So that kind of this it is say Asante for because sometimes Asante he need to on casa no so a opportunity over Voltaires na no omo sore no omo ye de say omo person bet my.
Okay.
So to say Asante he so once he issue some statement. What okay. The victim families to also issue some statement.
Yeah. Me no ya dream pa.
What I say?
Yeah.
When we issue statement, ebet ma momu calm down.
Matthias, yeah, a good idea.
That time I hear somebody call you and you were saying that want me we are abansika a TV station bebre. Now that time no talking down. That was a very good thing that you did.
That's right.
Because that kind of rumors na omudi call
Asante force because of yeah.
Because of this kind of rumors. Currently, even to I even hear that some just closing some radio stations.
Yeah, in the north. In the north. All of them related to MPP. You know, I could closing it down.
Even to Canada, I'm here that even to they are targeting want to me
yeah. Almost targeting want to me stations. Yeah.
Stations, no.
Yeah.
Because of that kind of rumors. Normally, Asante for no some. What you
sure.
So even to and most of the point, Rawlings are something no kase generals no kuomo. This is not the first time no kasa innocent people no ho. There was not. He went. There was sometimes he went for Volta region to give a speech about speech. Volta, one of the Volta school was during their anniversary.
Okay.
And Rawlings went to that school and give a speech about these people that he executed. He called them an innocent general. They have to execute them to save the country peace.
What? That's terrible. That's nonsense.
Wow. That was terrible.
Wow. And today, some people got the audacity to call Rawlings a hero. Why?
Oh, a hero.
This is so sad. Anyway,
the victim of those people should
also come out and respond to them. Say they shouldn't bring themselves at all because their blood is flowing through the veins of each and every one. So we know your dream. There
was one guy they killed him like a fowl in Volta. His family should have come out at this moment. They were called that guy was called Yeye Man.
Yeye Man.
He was a spiritual guy.
Okay.
So Rawlings sent soldiers to execute the man like a fowl.
Oh.
That person is also from Volta. His family should have also come out. Just to say something. At Champon, his family, Akufu, all of these people.
Okay. Time will come. Time will tell. So they should wait and continue to do this nonsense, and they will hear from the other side. So time will tell.
And you know, one thing I want to put across is that look, you see, we the Northerners too. We are also divided.
Okay.
You see the Northerners who are in NPP. You see them, their character, and those who are in NDC. Do we have the same character?
No, it seems some are calm and others are so aggressive. That's what I see.
So those who are calm, you see them when you go down deeply with them, you see that they are in line with Asantes.
Now I am seeing something. Yes, I think you are validating something to me because it seems those MPP Northerners who are aligned to the MPP look so calm, very intelligent, educated, and but most of the people aligned to the NDC look so violent and indisciplined. All this, we've seen this is in the northern region. Yeah.
Because the chieftaincy problem that we have in North there. The other side are in line with what? Asantes. The other side they are opposing Asantes.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm getting some fellas today. Okay.
You understand?
I got you.
So that's why and those people are always the people who always follow MPP. You understand?
I understand your point. I get your point.
And one thing again, Rawlings came to divide tribes in our country.
Exactly.
It was Rawlings' time we have Kunkumba War, right?
Yeah, Kunkumba War. It started in Rawlings' time, yeah.
We and Kunkumbas have been living in centuries. There was never fight between we and the Kunkumbas. It was Rawlings who came 92 and advised these people that these people to stand up against the Gombas.
The Gombas, yeah.
This is where Kunkumbas start to fight the Gombas in war.
They were brothers and sisters living there with peace.
We're brothers and sisters living together since centuries. It's Rawlings who come and going to them, rally them, say that they should stand up, they should fight for land for themselves in North.
In fact, in any society that they possesses Russia communist inferior tactics, that style of politics is divide and rule. If you can't divide them, you can't rule them. So when you check the track record of the NDC, they use Russian tactics, and So that communist inferior status, you have to come in, divide the people so that you can rule them and check NDC. I mean, in fact, some part of even Nkrumah uses those tactics, and then again, Rawlings continued that, and today, the still socialist style is communist inferior tactics to divide the people. Yeah,
that is it. And still, up to now, and still, even the cucumbers are still threatening the government and the government just to go to war as we speak now.
Wow. Ooh,
because of Rawlings.
Okay.
Even to Upper East, the same thing that he did to so we northern, especially those who are living at northern region, we and Upper East, the same thing. That's why you see normally MPP winning mostly many seats in northern region. Right. But when you come to upper west and those things, MPP does never win any seat in that area
because of tribal differences. Tribalism. They play a lot of tribal politics over there.
Because that area you can't go there and talk about Asante people matter.
Wow.
When you go to Upper East and Upper West, you can't go and talk about Asante people matter there.
Okay.
So for them, when we come to this, because Rawlings already pollute their mind that Asante people they don't like them. Asante don't like them.
Wow. I mean, it's quite interesting. But anyway, time will tell. So we're all here, and I mean, history.
And once again to. MPP, Asante people, you people also have to understand something, because whenever MPP come to power, Asantes get many appointments. You understand?
Right.
So you should, and you know, when anytime NDC come, a show is the people who got victimized is Asantes, majority.
Okay.
So whenever MPP is in power, the Asantes shouldn't make when on mommy. But since your people are the majority, you have to make sure that you still keep them there.
Okay.
When you come to election, you have to come out and vote. Don't say that when on mommy. Yeah, because if Napo and Co. You see, if Napo and Co is a vice president, you can go directly to him and say all your problems.
You're right. Okay.
So since Napo is not a vice president, how can you go to him and say, I want this and want that? How many cabinet ministers did John Mahman put in his cabinet? Who was Asante? When are Asante?
Okay.
They are cabinet.
Okay, Sedu, Bawa. Thank you for your time, and I mean, I will get back to. I mean, we're going to talk from tomorrow going, and I thank you for your in-depth analysis about these situations happening in the northern region. Thank you for your time. Okay, right. So that was Sedu. Yeah, thank you, Sedu. No, right. You see, enokre wahu, intimi hintas wahu, and utie said Sedu. I mean, vocal na. I mean, in some siswa. We don't know what time it is in the